Boleh pi baru sajen pada ni ke video ni page yang hawe dei bat ikubor live cam. Just ngabaya kan ni ke video lada pila bit la yang qualification bat nom pensep bat late no ban apply naga banta ni ke push la ni kini ke push ki ba pin sayo ngolong ba kini ke video. Kata ka dei ka make clear government jobs. Mo dei ka make clear government jobs nangta kediru ka highly salary government teaching jobs. Kadai ka teaching jobs kum tongba ka jingsiew pan ka long ka bit ado kata-kata. De bit ha. Ka salary hang ni kan dei hadu 40,000. Mo salary up to 40,000 and also up to 30,000. De ka jingsiew hang ni kan dei hadu saupo ban laipo jar shibanai. Di kapusnim sama okay kapusnim hangni kadi assistant lecturer and also assistant teacher mo di ki assistant lecturer but ki assistant teacher di nakamta ki assistant lecturer kadon artli ki post but nakamta ki assistant teacher kadon lightly ki post telah benda pendit pendiang ya ka qualification late an apply nakamta kini ki post namarkan debit ka direct interview pila da bit pibiang pila biang ka special certificate jong ka education pila bit ben yo nam ta ki post but ka total number of post kadon santali mo ar na ki assistant lecturer line nam ta ki assistant teacher they have a contractual nanta the last date and they up to 10 of April 2026 mo last date kan they hadu 10 tarik April raja arpunriu Deto, nakumta ki assistant teacher, ka qualification ki panya ka second class, jong ki master degree. Mo, second class of master degree plus B.Ed, ane bachelor of education. Mo, lada pila pendep ya ke B.Ed, cimbet ya kane kalat kebu, apply be nam ta ki post. But nakumta ki assistant teacher, artli ki post kadai nam ta ki arts, but kawai kadai nam taki science with mathematics kawai ke post but nam ta kani ke post science with mathematics candidates ki ban pendap ya ka PCM plus B.Ed dan ki arts ru ki ban pendap ya ka degree plus B.Ed di nam ta ke post jong assistant lecturer kawai kadai nam ta garo but kawai kadai nam ta ki education mo Kila ada PC major in education, lebih ban apply na uta ni ki post. But pila ban submit ya kini ke application dan ni ya kini ki post lah tapi ku ban apply pila ban submit sya ka office jong u district school education officer Bakmara ke Depok Garu Hills. Di hakatu ka application pihak bro ban bu lane ban mention ya u WhatsApp nombor jompi kenang ba akin yo ban bentip yapi na pi ikila pene ya ka interview mo akin sa bentip nang ba WhatsApp number de nagata kadang nang yapi ki parlok lane ki candidates ki de na po ka state Meghalaya especially kasi and jointi ala da pila pendep ya ka qualification pila pendep ya ka degree pila pendep ya ka master degree pila pendep ya ka B.Ed sim ya ka ne kalat ka bu hoi kala kham jingai sebak marah bei wanum up tantang hajan handai lada jingai ru pila ban pha lamba ki post pila ban pha lamba ki lani pila ban late ru lada pila snobit snobiang ya la qualification di pila ban apply mo nam ta kan ka teaching job maka salary ru kan di nam ta ki assistant lecturer kan di sapoja nam ta ki assistant teacher kan di lai poja tang ta ba ya dei ber kan ka kubol leka stay tuned nam ta ki updates wede bat ki government jobs lani ki kubalakam ki banawan hakine gisin bleshugo